It's mission impossible. So the lesson here, guys, is be realistic and try not to get carried away. But what I haven't told them is that it's very difficult for a new agent not to get excited by a new listing. Working hard?
Trying my best.
And I gotta tell you, the agent that I'm worried about is Sudha.
I'm actually preparing for a listing presentation.
Where?
It's in Prévost, Quebec. I was driving around looking for properties that are sold by the owners, and when I saw this property, I'm like, hey, there's something that I would love to get.
The last listing he should be pitching for is a listing up north. It's an hour away. You don't want your first listing to be a difficult one where you have to travel. With that time, you could be doing 10 listings in the city.
It might be far, but what Ted doesn't know is the commission is worth the trip. The owner told me she wanted $1.5 million